I was coming home. I was 6 blocks from home, and a lady run a stop sign. All I remember is I turned my car sharp to the left to keep from hitting her head on, and I ended up facing the opposite direction. My biggest fear was how bad was I hurt.
We hadn't really been in a situation like this where we needed an attorney.
Then whenever I had the MRI and realized exactly what was going on,
I knew that we could not handle this ourselves. The first 2 people that I called both gave me the same name of Bryan Musgrave. That's who I called. That's when our troubles ended.
he was attentive. He understood what I was going through, or what we were going through, and he just really kind of took control.
I worked for a company. We maintained high voltage power lines, but we used a helicopter instead of bucket trucks. We had made a big loop. Everything was perfect, and then everything wasn't so perfect. Pretty much all hell broke loose. Pilot had a rotor strike on the structure and ended up falling to the ground. I ended up getting ejected out the passenger side of the helicopter. One of the blades actually grabbed my lanyard and tossed me around the main rotor blade system 1.5 times. Ended up getting hit in the back of the head with one of the rotor blades, and the lower arm got broken 3 different spots.
And it didn't happen close to home. He was 14 hours away, so it happened down in New Orleans.
I would definitely recommend Bryan Musgrave's law firm to anybody in any situation. They always answer my questions and made sure that I understood them. They really care about you. They really make you feel like you're important, and it's one-on-one with them whenever the situation does arise.
It took a load off of my shoulders, my wife's shoulders. We could reach out to him and get an answer.
I would recommend Bryan in a heartbeat.
I would not hesitate to recommend the law offices of Bryan Musgrave.